none can deny our glorious honours, where'er we fought and fell.
Náisiúnach éireannach a reid son arm na Bretagne, socialach a reid son na himpireachta, óscéalaí a bhreac chun taobh darachuid an saoil, ceárscéalaí a bhí bog agus fillete, frithléireach a bhí faoi chomainn na haglaise, fear gaeltachta a hill a bheitthe a scríb as béarla. Did the sea have principles? Did the wind rise and tear down houses inspired by ideas? Did the rain flood towns inspired by the spirit of self-sacrifice? Bé the informer a fáiltíobh sa mbliana 1925 is mú a hilcáil idirnáisiúnta gó. Díalú breis agus 200,000 cópte is sasanna agus a chorm céine sin sna stáit aontaithe. Bhuaise an James Taite Black Memorial Prize den litríocht. Bé the famine an sir mór Jerry agus fáiltíobh sa mbliana 1936. Dúirt James Plunkett in the heave, page by page, it seems a badly written book, but its totality is extraordinary. It was a summer morning just before sunrise in this fairy glen. In the dawn light, the great blue roof of the sky, bright with fading stars and the coming sunlight, seemed so near that a man might reach it with his outstretched hand and pluck a star from it, just over the deep mountain sides. The strange bog beasts that cry at night were still. Is íon chaimhlinn seo a chur sé isteach an chud scríbhneoireachta. Córa chun nádúr leis an duine. Córa chun duine leis an nádúr. Córa chun duine leis an duine.